Hello you guys, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. Today we're doing a Valentine's Day makeup look, so stay tuned. First we are going to start with putting our hair back. First things first, I'm going to prime my eyelids with using the LA Girl Pro Concealer. So I apply it on both eyelids and it just gives the eye makeup something to hold on to, and it actually makes it show up to me a lot more pigmented. Next, I will be using a burnt orange color above my lid, and I will be sweeping that back and forth just to make sure it's evenly distributed. And I will do that on the next eyelid as well. And I'm just really going in there and going back and forth and make sure that I have enough of the color to show up when I am done. I totally forgot something, so let's pause and we're gonna put our tape on our eyes just to make sure that we do not go under that line. So I'm going to go back in and put more color. So I'm using an orange brown burnt color, and I'm going in, sweeping it back and forth, and we have the tape there just to make sure we don't go under that tape, and it gives us a really precise line when we take it off. So next we'll be using the pink color that was at the bottom, and I'm going to apply the pink right in my crease. I'm going to sweep that back and forth and make sure that it's blended well with the orange. It's like a burnt orange with the burnt orange color. So I'll be sweeping that back and forth, making sure I have enough of the color there. And I will also be going to the other side after I get done applying this side. There we go. Just making sure that I know what I'm doing. If you see me looking to the left or whichever side that you guys see, it's because there's a mirror there, and then yeah, so I'm using that to do my makeup. I totally see my daughter in the background messing with her toys or whatever she's doing. So precious. Anyways, next we are going to put the same Pro Concealer on our eyelid, and what I did just right there, I looked up just to give myself a line to follow when I'm doing my cut crease, because 9 times out of 10 when you look up anyways, your concealer gets up there. So I follow that line. That's the trick that I have learned, just to follow that line. And as you can see, I am connecting it and going all the way across. And what I do after I have my line, I fill in with the Pro Conceal, and then there you go. It gives you a base for your cut crease. Then next I will be going to the opposite side and doing the same thing that I did to that side. So right now I'm just filling it in, and we have our tape there, so we have that straight line, so it looks really good. So now I'm using a shimmery pink to put on the eyelid, and you're gonna see me do this a couple of times. I'm gonna make sure I get as much product as I can on my eyelid, because I want this thing to pop. I want people to see me from across the street and be like, okay, I see you. You're in the Valentine's Day spirit, you know. You have a date. No, just kidding. But I'm really going to focus in on just pressing it down, just to make sure that, once again, I get enough product on my eyelid and it stays. So we're going to do the same thing to this eyelid, to the next eyelid, and then I'm going to come back and you're going to see what I have done. There you go, looking good. You can see I have my pink, and right now I'm putting a shimmery gold color under my brow, and I'm blending that in a little bit with the burnt orange that's down below it. When you go to the other side, do the same thing, and then there you go. Looking good. Look at me. Take off the tape. Take off the tape. You have that line there, and there's no mess. That's the whole point of the tape, like what mess, you know? So there you go. So there you go. I'm showing you the color that I use for my shadow on my lid. So I'm sorry, my phone totally died. So I took that time to continue to do what I was doing until my phone got charged. So I put my eyeliner on, my lashes. I put the pink shimmery color on my waterline down below. I put eyeliner on, and I put the gold in my inner tear duct. And right now I'm putting on my highlight. Look at me glow, girl. You see me glowing. Hey. So I put it on my nose as well. So I also put my foundation on. I contoured and I concealed. And then here you go. Showing you how it looks all together. And we're looking pretty good. If you have watched my other videos, you know how I do my foundation and concealer. It's pretty basic. So there you go. Hair straight. I'm showing you how it looks in the sun. I'm moving back from the sun. Get a little close. Look at that slow-mo. Girl, if you don't flip that hair back and forth, flip your hair back and forth. Anyways, so yeah, this is like a gorgeous, you know, simple, not too difficult eye makeup look you can do on Valentine's Day. And it won't take you that long. And as you can see, it looks gorgeous. I look gorgeous. You guys heard that? I was going to say I look gorgeous, but then I said it looks gorgeous. But yeah, both is true. Both are valid, okay? Anyways, yeah, that's it. And once again, I'm getting just closer to the sun just so you guys can really pick up the color and how it looks with different lighting. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know what you feel, how you feel in the comments down below. I really appreciate it. And I will talk to you guys later. Thanks, babes.